creamy rabbit casserole. Oh, look at this. This is a dish that is almost too simple. We put a number of simple dishes on the air this year. Let me find some of the rabbit down in here. This rabbit is fresh cottontail too, by the way. Carrie Chase submitted this recipe. Carrie,
Yes.
when I saw that it had these ramen noodles in it, I love these little things.
I do too.
They're, well, I'll get to that in a second here. Here you go, Al. Al's
good,
a man.
that's fine.
Al's our rabbit man, but he has to clarify something about this rabbit. These are the noodles that are the main component. I love, they only cost like 20, 25 cents
Right.
a deal. And a lot of college students and, you know, people eat them because they're cheap and stuff.
And they're fast to eat.
And they're
you know,
fast.
nothing.
And I don't know, I love them.
Yep.
Cream of mushroom soup, milk,
That's it. Rabbit.
rabbit boned out.
Yep.
Okay, now this is fresh rabbit.
being cooked.
You want to tell the story about the rabbit?
Yeah, we was.
This was yesterday that
We
you
was,
realized you didn't have it in the
right.
freezer.
Yeah, we were supposed to do this recipe today, and I went to the freezer and didn't have no rabbit. So we only had an hour, and I had to go to a wedding. So I called my friend, and we went to get some rabbits, and I seen two and missed two, and he shot both of them. So we're really eating his rabbit, not mine.
Okay, go ahed. Give his name. Give him credit.
Steve Van Ortwick, one of my
Okay.
hunting buddies.
Thank you, Steve,
Yeah.
for your eagle eye shooting. You know this meat has a flavor. Mm-hmm. It's from, because the ramen noodles,
Right.
these have a little packet in it.
And that goes
Yeah,
in
you
there.
put it-
Seasonings. You don't see
Right.
that right here. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'll tell you what.
All you do is make the noodles like it says on the package, and then in the pan you just add a half can of milk, and then the cream of mushroom soup, and then add the rabbit.
By the way, if you don't have rabbit, if you don't have a friend named Steve who can shoot straight, you could use chicken, you could use turkey, you could use...
any kind of bird
Anything.
or rabbit or anything like that.
I wonder how red meat would be. I bet it would be good.
It would probably be good too.
And they've got beef flavor.
And then they have the
noodles.
beef flavor, so maybe you could do just about the same thing with beef. I think it would be good.
You might have to do that if you don't start straightening out your shooting. But I tell you, this is so simple, easy. Carrie, it's great. Great recipe.
Thank you.